In this video, I'll be sharing you how to order in Forever Living Products website. So first, we have to go to foreverliving.com and make sure that you choose the country where you are living. So in my case, I'm gonna choose Middle East, United Arab Emirates, and the language, English. Then it will bring me to the page of United Arab Emirates. So if I want to order products of Forever, I will just simply click shop and then click the category where I want. In this example, let me click drinks. That will put me to the aloe vera gel, which is the #1 product of Forever. And as you notice, it will also give me a price in the country currency, which is UAE dirham. So from this point, all I need to do is to add to bag. Let's say I want 2 aloe vera gels. So I'm just gonna click that uh, click that 2 times. Then let's say I also want some skincare product. So I'm gonna click aloe vera jelly, which is my favorite product. Add to bag, add to bag. Okay, 2 pieces of that. 2 lotions for my wife. Okay. So I can see here my shopping bag. So it's a simple e-commerce website. So from here you can understand it. Just click continue, and then these are all the products that I selected. So the website will give me an option if I want to continue shopping or check out. So in this case, let me say I want to check out. Okay, now this will put me on this page, which I can log in. If you are a member of Forever Living Products and you know your password, just need to log in. Okay, or if you just want to purchase the product straight away, you can just continue with guest checkout. Another thing is you can also create your account before the purchase. Okay, so if you create their account before the purchase, you're gonna get an immediate 5% discount on the products that you're purchasing. And next time that you're gonna purchase, just need to log in, and that's gonna put you on the same uh, loop where you're going to check out. But in this example, let's say we go to continue with guest checkout. You don't want to be a member, you just want to buy the products. Continue with guest checkout. Then they will ask you your personal information, simple shipping address, very simple. Just fill up those, click agree, agree, then your phone numbers, then click next. Then this will bring you to payment information. So I can't proceed here, but you already know what's next with that. Okay, so they will also ask you a sponsor information if you're checking out, or sponsor details. I'll be linking my sponsor details in the description below. It doesn't cost you any extra, but I'll be getting a small commission. But on your side, it's the same price that you're gonna purchase. So I hope this video helps you. Please continue following Forever Living Products and purchasing their products. Forever is an amazing company. Thank you and have a great day.